E is for early settlers. Dunedin's known history dates back as far as the 1100 AD with the arrival of Māori to the area. Evidence also points to a lengthy occupation by Māori before the arrival of Europeans. Initially, European contact was made by Silas in the 1790s and then whalers. In 1848, the Free Church of Scotland organised 2 ships to sail to the head of Otago Harbour and found the colony of Dunedin.
F is for factories in South Dunedin. South Dunedin is home to many factories that were significant in the growth of the city. Shacklock was a pioneer in the manufacturing of coal ranges. Rope makers Donaghy's Industries, a world-leading manufacturer and distributor, began operations in Dunedin way back in 1876. South Dunedin's Gasworks is New Zealand's longest-serving gasworks, which operated from 1863 to 1987. The Hillside Workshops of New Zealand Railways Department has been around since 1875. Dunedin is also home to New Zealand's first women's trade union, the Tailoresses, created in 1889.
G is for gold rush. Dunedin's wealth and population increased dramatically due to the gold rush in the Otago province during the 1860s. For several years, Dunedin was New Zealand's largest and most prosperous city.
H is for Highlanders. In 1996, the Highlanders Union Rugby team was created. The name Highlanders was chosen after the early Scottish settlers in the lower South Island. The name and image of the Highlanders conjure up visions of fierce independence, pride in one's roots, loyalty, strength, kinship, honesty, and hard work. Highlanders are traditionally conservative and shaped by enduring values, balanced by action, flair, and imagination.
I is for interwoven communities. There are many different communities and people that make up the Dunedin population. These include the young and old, Māori, Pākehā, Pacifica, Chinese, Lebanese, former refugees, students, workers, the retired, the list goes on. These diverse people and communities are interwoven and add to Dunedin's unique character and culture.